Hey guys, welcome back to RoboSiddhi and you are watching ESP32 classes. So in this video, we are going to take a look at how we are going to install Arduino IDE. Yes, you heard it right. So we have to program ESP32. We need an media, we need an software to program, to write programs and to flash our ESP32. For that, we are going to use an Arduino IDE. So this is the same software we use for programming Arduino and any other microcontrollers. The same software can be used to program ESP32. So let's head towards this video and let's learn how we are going to install it and how we are going to use it and also how we are going to configure ESP32 boards in our Arduino IDE. So let's go and Okay guys, to install the Arduino IDE, what you have to do is you have to open your browsers. So in my case, I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any kind of browser you have. You can use Brave, any kind of browser you have. Okay, then we have to search for Arduino IDE. Okay, so you can type arduino.cc. So this is the official website of our Arduino. All right, after that you will see some links like this, right? You can see there's a software also, but let's explore a little bit more. Here you can see that this is the official site of our Arduino, and if you scroll down and scroll down here, so you can see there's a section which is named as product, and there you can see hardware and then software. So we want software, we want Arduino IDE, so we are going to click on software. After that, we can see there's a Arduino IDE. This is a new Arduino IDE. You can also install it, you can also explore it, but we are going to use this Arduino Legacy because this is much more simpler and little bit hardware efficient. So we are going to go with that. So I will select my version. So in my case, I'm using a Windows 7 or Windows 10. Okay, so I will go with Windows 7 and newer. This for this option. If you're using Linux, you have to check if your Linux is 64 bits, 32 bits. You can install other versions as well. Okay, so I'm using Windows, so I will go with Windows and I will click on download, and a little bit later the download has begun and you can see that it's downloading. So let it be download. It depends on your internet speed. So now it's downloaded and I will run it. So now the IDE setup has been running, and now you can see that there's an option. You all have to click on you have to click on yes everything. Okay, so I will just agree, next, install, and if it asks any kind of permission, just allow it, just accept it. Now the extraction has been begun and the setup is installing, so it will take a little bit time. So while it happens, let's go and let's install something else. Now we want ESP32, right? We want ESP32 boards. So there's a little bit catch on how you can install ESP32. So what you have to search is ESP32 board manager URL. So this one, okay, board manager URL. Okay, click on enter and search. Okay, so this is the ESP32 board manager link. Express ref GitHub IO Arduino ESP32 package ESP32 index JSON. So we have to copy it. We are going to copy it like this. We are going to copy it. Okay, after copying it, you can see that our Arduino IDE is installing. So it let it install. Okay, now it's completed and it's installed. So I will close it, and here we have our Arduino icon. So this is our Arduino IDE. Okay, now let's open it and you can see that Arduino IDE is started, and let's explore some of its feature and let's install our Arduino ESP32 boards. Okay, so that's how it looks like when it start up. Okay, first of all, we have our two setup and loop functions. Okay, void setup and void loop, where we are going to make our programs. First of all, there's a file section. Then if you click on file, you can basically create new codes. With this, you can open your files, open your codes that you are already have made. Then you can see here open recent. So if you have made any kind of projects before, you will find them here. Then this is sketchbook. Okay, this is sketchbook is for also for viewing codes. Okay, then there is an example section, so we are going to explore it in our upcoming videos. So example is basically some pre-written codes, built-in examples for beginners. If you want to understand how the basics are there, you can simply run few codes and you can explore. There are already some codes written for beginners. Then we have save and save as, so we can save the code. Then you can say, you can see in edit, we can see that there are multiple options. We don't need to do that. Then we have a sketch where you are going to find verify and compile. So it is for compiling or verifying or checking any kind of errors that there our code might have. Then we have upload, to upload the code, of course, in our ESP32. Then we have upload using programmer. Then export compiled binary, and most of the stuff is not useful here. Here you can see that there's a auto format archive sketch. That right? So this is very useful stuff here. First of all, managing libraries. So libraries are basically some codes, and we are going to see that in upcoming videos, of course. Then we have serial monitor, serial plotter. So these three options are really useful. Then you are going to find boards. Okay, so Arduino IDE is especially for Arduino boards. Okay, so Arduino is a industry which have created Arduino boards and this software as well. Here you can find there are two options: Arduino AVR boards, where you can find our classic and traditional Arduino Uno boards, Arduino Uno Mini, and ESP32 boards as well. So here you can see there are ESP32 boards. In my case, because I have already installed it on my system, so I will find it. But if you don't see it in your system because you might be installing it for first time, I have I have something to show you. First of all, you have to click on files, then you have to go on preference. All right, here you can see, you will find it empty like this. You will find it empty like this. So what you have to do is you have to paste that same link that we have copied from here, expressref, this one. Okay, you can also find it on here, installing. Okay, this one you can find it on here, expressref github io. This is the same link that we are going to use. Okay, you can use this one as well. This is for developers, but you can use this as well. All right, so you can use this. Just search our ESP32 board manager URL and you will find this expressref system. This is a site, and here you can see the link exactly what we are looking for. So you can copy that and just paste it here. Okay, just like I have done. So after that, just click on OK, and our code is our Arduino can detect ESP32 boards. Now here you can find that we have this board manager, right? So click on that. After that, you have to search here for ESP32. So I will search here ESP32. Here you can see that there's a ESP32 by Express Systems, and it is installed currently in my device. Okay, what you can do is you just have to click on install like this. Like this, you will find an install button here, but in my case it's already been installed, so I can remove it, but I don't want to remove it. Instead, I will install this one. Okay, so you will find something like this, and just you have to click on install. Wherever you find install, here or here, doesn't matter, just click on install and it will be installed in your system. So let it install in my system, and let's see how much time it takes. So the progress bar is here, you can see. When it's full, the Arduino will install our ESP32 board. Okay, downloading boards definitions. Download has started. Okay, so you are going to see exact system like this. Let it be and let it install. Okay guys, as you can see, the installation is completed. What you have to do is you have to close it, close everything, and you can restart your system, and you can also refresh. So in my case, it's done, and if I open my Arduino IDE and if I go to the board section, so let's go there and let's see what happens. Okay, this is my Arduino IDE, and if I go to tools and I check on my boards, you can see that we have our ESP32 Arduino boards. So this is exactly the same process. You don't have to do anything. Just go to board manager and just do what I have said. So that's how you can install ESP32, and you can install a setup environment for our ESP32 boards. So this is very crucial for upcoming videos. So that's it. So that's it for this video guys, and I hope you understood how we can install ESP32 in Arduino and how we are going to use Arduino IDE. Also the sale is live. You can also purchase all of these components and make your own robots, make your own projects. So without the hardware, without any kind of projects, without hands-on experience, this course will mean nothing. So go purchase the kits, build your own career in robotics in future now. So see you soon. Goodbye.